Assalamualaikum. Join me, let's do steak and chimichurri. Bismillah, let's do our chimichurri first. Here I have parsley, red onion, red capsicum and garlic, jalapeno, coriander and green onion, chili flakes, salt and oregano, vinegar and olive oil. I lit charcoal and let it sit for 3 hours. This is how it looks like, guys. To our hot pan, we throw our steak. We will brown it both sides. Season it with salt and black pepper. Throw in some butter, garlic, and rosemary. Keep basting your steak with some butter. Our ultimate steak and chimichurri. Try it at home, guys. You will like it.